Welcome aboard System Test 287. So let's go ahead and get started. For our first notification appliance, we've been Edwards 8922B, and this device has been doing continuous. For a smoke detector, we have a system sensor, 4WB. You may hear that the panel is beeping. Zone 3. It is because this detector is on zone 3 and it is monitored by a 4.7K ohm resistor. I will now add it back on. Usually the beeping stops, but on a panel like this, you have to hit tone silence and it takes it off. You may also notice it's no longer on zone 3, it's gone. That is because I reattached the detector to its base. For our second notification appliance, we have an Edwards G4LFWN-H, and this device has been doing code 3. For our pull stations, we have two pull stations. On the top, we have an Ames SP1, and on the bottom pull station spot, we have an Edwards 270 SPO. Below that, we still have the Simplex 2098-906 test switch. We still have the same remote strobe above the door. Before I begin today's test, I did want to make a couple quick notes. For number one, I did want to mention the 8922B. There is a strobe on this device and it does function. However, it is not very bright. You will mainly see the Siemens UMCS flashing, and that is set on 75 candela and is very bright. You will see that flashing a lot more than this one. You will see this one from time to time and it is working. I also have alarm verification on. You will notice when I pull a pull station, it's going to go beep, beep, beep before it goes into alarm. That's just to ensure that there are no false alarms. I do turn this feature on from time to time. However, it's not really suitable for my environment because of the demonstration. However, you know, in buildings, you sometimes need that. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to pull the Edwards 270 SPO. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. For our next test today, I'm going to activate the smoke detector by just spraying some smokes. Here we go. That should be enough. Should go off any second now, hopefully. Come on. This one sometimes takes a second. And the alarm is silenced. Alright, I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my screwdriver to the top. I'm going to turn the little screw. The station opens up. I'm going to flip the switch down. And I'm going to push the station back into place. Just like that. And yes, I do have another one of these. I actually have a newer one. Just like this. I want to give a special thank you to my mom's friend. He actually ended up finding this pull station, I believe at a flea market. So thank you to him. Tested it out and it worked great. I really like these older style ones. I have a couple other ones as well. Honeywell Ape 270 SPO as well. All right, I will now go ahead and reset the system. We have not used the simplex key switch in quite a while, so I thought we would go ahead and test that out today. I'm just going to insert my key and turn to test. So here we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and remove the key. The station is now reset. You may notice that there's a little alarm light. I wired this up to the NAC circuit, so whenever it goes into alarm, that goes off, turns on, illuminates. I have everything as 2-wire, not 4-wire, so that's kind of the reason why everything stops immediately when I hit the silence button. I could do audible silence, but I don't, and there's no way to do that on this particular control panel. I will now go ahead and reset this control panel. Alright, to finish off today's test, I am going to activate the Ames key operator only pull station. So, the same pull station as the last test with this system. I just decided to not switch it out. Thought it was rather fitting with Edwards, Ames. Figured, you know, I've done a lot of tests with this pull station, so I figured I'd use it again. So, and I really like using it with my Edwards devices. I'll now go ahead and open this station up and give it a test. So here we go. And the alarm is silenced. Since this is just a key operator only pull station, there is nothing to reset. There is no handle like this one, or like any other type of pull station. Perhaps this one, you know, you got to reset the handle. So all we got to do to reset this one is hit the reset button. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to comment, subscribe, have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.